That's what we're doing today.
Little car, big car.
We're going to do it to this one. I already started a little bit.
You already started?
A little bit.
What kind of crap is this?
I
Look
put
down here.
7 things on.
Look down here. We got like a kind of a tomato red. And then we got like a shiny, sparkly red. That's pretty rad. What'd you do already?
Just this. 7 things. I was practicing. I've never done this. So
It looks good.
I had to do some learning. I had to do some figuring. Yeah, this is a little orangey for me, but it'll be okay.
It looks good. I like how bright it is compared to the other dark.
Yeah.
It is a little orangey, but I think it looks great.
This is the hood. We're going to do that side.
Did you just tell them that this is the hood?
This is the hood. This is what it looks like.
We're doing basic cars today. This is the hood, kids.
This is the headlight. No, like this is the hood. Like it's basically done, right?
We see the hood.
There's a couple little things.
Oh, that's what you're saying. You're saying
you
this is
guy.
the hood. It's done.
Gosh.
Don't guy me, pal.
We're going to do that side. Then we'll do this side.
Okay.
The last thing that we have to do is like our, sponsorship decals that they're not sponsors, but we have square wheels backwards.
Nice.
Wheels company.
LSR Performance.
Yep. Ace,
for all your tuning needs.
Origin. But the last thing we'll do is this sheet of stars.
It looks like a red sheet.
I know. But there are stars.
Hey, look, stars.
Yeah.
Right on.
Raylan wants to do this. So I don't know. I think we'll just kind of let her go crazy with stars.
What we all want to know, though, is when we're going to livery this.
Calm down.
With you said Taco Bell livery, I think, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I like the teal, whatever color this is, the cage and stuff in. It's kind of Taco Bell-y.
It is very Taco Bell-y.
It's a little 90s Taco Bell.
It is. It's exactly 90s Taco Bell. 90s, early 2000s.
I feel like a purple little GT3 CS on the side, and then a big old bell right here would be perfect.
Dude, sick.
Anyways, if
We
somebody
do
wants
like
to
some
design
Taco
that
Bell.
livery and send it to me, we'll put it on here.
Somebody send it right now.
Yeah, so that's what we're doing. We're going to do the livery. We did this. I did this, and we drifted it last night, and it looks sick.
It looks real good. And this is like exactly what the big car is going to look like.
Yeah, except we don't have these large local losers
Oh, okay.
yet.
But we got somebody printing those out for us?
Well, he's supposed to be.
All right. So just for, how long did you wait for this livery?
I don't know. My entire life.
It feels like it. Was it over a year?
No, late summer is when this started.
Woof.
Late summer.
Right on.
And now it's like early summer.
Yeah.
Yeah. So almost a year. The guy had some things. He had a lot of excuses.
Guy
it
had
was not
so
cool.
many things happen.
Do not recommend this guy. I'm not even going to say who it is because I don't recommend him. Yeah. He's fine if you just want him to design it, and then he could send you the file, and then you could find your own person to cut it out, which is what I tried to do many, many times, but he wouldn't send me my money back so I could do that. So he just held me hostage for 7 months.
Don't you love your money being held hostage and your time being held hostage? And
it was great. He was like,
that.
oh, if you pay me now, I can get started on it. And I was like, well, I can pay you next Friday because that's when I get paid. And he was like, oh. So then I pay him, and then he goes, oh, guess what? I'm homeless. Okay.
So somebody told me recently, and these are car dudes, older car dudes that have had lots of paint work done, and they're garage guys. They told me that there are a lot of automotive painters out there that when you pay anything up front for your paint job, they will use that to go toward like the last paint job that they took. And like they said that there are a lot of scammers that they know like that.
Dude,
people.
I think that is just like most people in business rob Peter to pay Paul.
That's crazy. Man.
It is. It's absolutely absurd.
It's absurd. That's like a fairly normal practice.
Yeah. Anyways, let's stop talking about all that bullshit. Let's start putting some stickers on this car.
Everybody knows how bad the car scene can be.
Trust me.
From all angles.
We've had some bad days.
Yeah.
But today's a good day. Let's do it.
It's a good day. Let's do it. All right. All the vinyl masters are over here. Ronnie and Will and Teddy are all having a powwow about how this vinyl should be applied, in what manner. I think in reality, they're all three going to do it their own way, and they're going to knock it out super fast. So
I mean, that does
they
kind
all
of
got
work.
squeegees.
This
I
is
can't really argue with it.
the guy that I watched do a livery on Jimmy Oaks' car. This is how they did it.
Nope.
But they did it in one giant sheet. It was entire print for the side of the car, which we don't have. But that's how we did the hood, Carissa and I.
And that's how you want that one? I hope that's correct.
Yeah, it is what it is.
That looks like the Predator claws when he pops those like metal things out and they shing. Yeah, that's what those two look like.
And then this one goes here.
I'm just here for comedy relief. If only I were funny. Shut up, Will.
I need a. Can you hand me one of those? No, the.
Oh, so you're mapping it off the real car.
There you go.
We're making progress. Little at a time. Slowly but surely. But we're doing the thing.
That is not held on at all. It is just pressure held on. So,
As long as it's not kind of fully safe to the car, just so it holds them in place so you can step back and look at it. But I know you already had everything taped to the car once.
We have like 1,000 hands on the livery holding it on so we can tape it and step back and look and see if that's where we want everything.
she's busy.
Talk to me,
man.
Goose.
Can you hear me?
Yep.
Yeah. So we got the bumper done on this side. We have that one single one done down there. And Teddy said, stop being an idiot and tape everything back onto the car. I did this 2 days ago by myself and it was a pain in the ass. But now I have friends, first time in my life, and they're helping me. So we have the little car, which is nice. We're using it as our template. And then we're just doing the thing.
So what they're going to do is they're going to pull off one thing at a time and stick it back on. And they'll be able to see it complete as it goes.
And pulling and stretching it, so like kind of mark where you want them to end. That way we know, like, hey, it should end here.
Okay, so you're saying like that.
I would just kind of frame it.
Make the angle,
Yeah.
but draw the point.
Like draw like on the outside edges of that, so we kind of know in this area. Yep, there. And there is where it ended.
Okay.
And then just put like a mark down right there, so we know that's where the point ended. Okay. So now we can try this one. Same with this. Although that might be off a little bit anyway. Make sure I get it.
How's it going down here? Is everybody having a great time?
Wonderful.
Will's
Wonderful,
loving his
sounds good.
decisions of being my friend. Yep.
How's it going, Teddy?
I'm too old for this.
You're too old for this.
Back hurt, knees hurt.
I know, we're all like on the ground.
Yeah.
You and me are probably more equipped for it than they are. Like, we don't have very far to go to get down here.
Yeah.
But Will's got a 6.5 foot trip.
Short people for the win.
Right? It's looking
Well,
good.
Let's do a light stick and see. Yeah, I think that looks perfect. Yeah. I'm just trying to. Yeah, I'm just trying to see. Let me see.
I heard the P word over here. Somebody said perfect.
Scoot
Wanted to come see this perfection.
Yeah, I
It
think
does look
that's
good.
fine. Yeah, that's good.
So, how many pieces are there on each side? Do you know?
I don't know. There's 3, 4,
Like
5,
20?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Is that counting the ones on the hood that
No,
are on this side?
no, that's also not counting
All the stars?
logos. That's not counting stars.
So there could be like 30 pieces on each side. 30.
Yeah, a lot. Yeah.
Yeah,
A
that's a
lot.
lot. How many we got on so far? 1, 2, 3, 4,
6,
5, 6, 7, 8.
7, 8, 9, 10.
10? Nice. Are you going to try to get this whole side done tonight?
I mean, that's the hope. As long
Stars-
as my
stars and
friends
everything?
stay.
Stars and everything?
Yeah, I want to finish this so we can put it in the video and then not have to worry about recording tomorrow.
Yeah, right. Now I have to record the other side.
Yeah. So that's the hope. Get everything on.
Right on. Looks like we're down to the last like livery piece on this side, with the exception of the words, which are kind of cool. All the words are backwards on this side. So if you look at this, like what does that even say, right? You just gonna put that right there?
Yep. Yep. Yep.
Yes, speak into my neck, please. Will's so particular. Ronnie's so not particular about this.
See, that's how it's supposed to be, so you don't fucking scratch stuff. Yeah, okay. Let's do it like that. Cool.
I like to eyeball them too.
Just tap your right. There's two of them over there. Right there.
I'm gonna get right in here, right on your face. Ray's gonna place the first star.
Somewhere in here. Perfect. All right, let's see where the next one goes. The one by the door? Okay, let's do it. What size is it? Is it a big one or a little one? It's a littler one. It's gonna go like that, okay? Alright, where are you putting it? Hold on, hold on. It's gonna go like this. And yeah, let's go right there.
Nice.
Okay.
All right. What are you doing? More stars? Look at this. Look at the side of this thing. Looks good. Y'all are so cute. Putting stars on the car together. So adorable.
I won't put a kiss on it.
A kiss for every star.
A lot of kisses.
Yep.
Hey, dude.
It's looking good. Just don't look at the other side. It's bare. Can I hear you?
Now, Bo came back on because I said
Yep.
dang dude and he wasn't picking me up. I think it looks good. It's
Yeah, it
sick,
looks super
dude.
good.
We are missing the most important logo, but
Our logo.
we'll get there. At least it's on the hood. At least it's somewhere.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, I think it's awesome.
That'll do, Tate. That'll do.
Tomorrow we have the fun job of trying to copy this to the other side. But
But like you said, it doesn't have to be super accurate.
it doesn't have to be perfect because you'll never see both sides at the same time. So
Exactly.
As long as it looks close, we're good. But yeah, it looks really good. The hood looks good. Everything's good.
Thanks for the help, Will.
Yeah, dude.
Teddy came out and helped us also. You saw early in the video. We had all the vinyl masters out. We had Carissa holding some vinyl up, and Raylan put some stars on for us.
I'm hoping I have 2 extra stars to put on the mirrors.
Oh, that would really rock it out.
I think I will because I still have all but 1 from this side.
Yeah, it's a lot
And
of
we did the
stars.
hood.
Oh, okay. So
So-
the hood's done. So you should have like 5 extras.
Right, exactly. I should have
Right on.
3 extra.
Oh,
3
that's right.
extra.
That's right.
Yeah. So that'd be perfect. Bang, bang.
Yep.
Yeah. So anyways, are we going to shoot any more or is this the outro?
Do we want to put rolling video at the end of this?
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we do.
So watch
so
that.
stand by for rolling video.